Hi guys, we will climb up on the top of the tower so that we can see all the view here. Okay, let's go. From the ground until upstairs is sixth floor. Okay, we will go up. Let's go up. So that we can explore the birds. You see the birds? Very cute. Oh, hi, hello, hello, hello. How are you, beautiful birds? Okay, let's go. Oh, there is also two siblings. Different kinds of bird, you see. And the branches. Okay. Wow. Oh. We are on the first floor. We are on the first floor. We are in the first floor now. Okay. This is green so that the bird will not going out. Oh, I see the caretaker. Oh, there's a beautiful, beautiful. Hello. Hi. Your color is so beautiful. Oh. I hope my mobile will not drop. Oh. I don't know more. Ah. So cute. Okay, let's go upstairs. See down. There is a the caretakers. Oh, it's so nice. So nice. So beautiful.
哦，iPad 给我，我要拍照。我就如果我想拍的话，
This is the second floor. Lot of tourists also. They seem like me. You see the chain? There's a chain here, very heavy. It's very heavy because it's very dark. Oh no. The second floor. It's too dark. What is this? Oh. We can enter here or exit. This is second floor. Oh, you see? Ah, it's so heavy. Oh, it's very dark. I need to. We will wash our hand here. Another hand. Oh, nice. Hand sanitizer. We should wash our hand. Okay, let's go inside. At least there is a light. Even it's too dark, there is a light. There is an emergency also, emergency light. We can climb up slowly so that I cannot feel too tired. Oh, is this one so nice? there's emergency light. So just in case it's electrical loss, there's emergency light. Oh, this is only it second floor. Huh? This is second floor. Another kind of bird. It's so nice. It's beautiful bird. Oh, now you can see. You can see that. It's a little bit bright. We can see the sun here. And on the third floor, we can see that. We can see the view over here. Wow, third floor. Oh, this is third floor. Oh, you can see now. Oh, I came in this area. No. Oh, you see the buildings is so beautiful. Wow. Oh, it's so they nearly fixed this one, the building. Oh, you see it? Very nice. So nice. I believe I can fly. No, I cannot fly. I cannot fly. Oh. Proceed to the next floor. We proceed to the fourth floor. This is a fourth floor. Oh, you see now? Oh, you sit down. Go up. Oh, this is a fourth floor. We will go up. We will see this area. Oh, nice. No climb. So beautiful. Wow. It's so beautiful. Oh my God. Wow. We will go to the fifth floor. Oh, yes. You can see now. Wow. Yeah, downstairs. I cannot. At least I cannot feel the tiredness because I climb slowly. It's a fifth floor. Fifth floor already. Wow, you see this? Okay. The last resort. We will proceed to the last resort. Not last resort. Last floor. Okay. Okay. We reach here on top. We will go upstairs from the top until the top. But I am tired already. So that we will see. We will see. Oh, finally done. Nakakalula. Oh my God. I'm tickling. Kung Shan, queso pic or luncheon. We will see the view over here. Mhm. It's very nice view. Oh, okay. There's a helicopter. I can see the old place. Our old place there. Uh-huh. That area behind it, that is our old place. Over there, near the mountain. That is the swimming pool. And then this one is reconstructed the sports center. This one. This is a Yuenlong city. This is a Yuenlong city. I had been there. Downstairs. Oh, okay. And then this is the gateway. And I'm going there. And there, that side is the central. Okay, guys. That's it. I hope you enjoyed my video. No more. It's too dark already. Bye. See you.